The universe is calling. Out beyond the blue swirl of Earth, past the moon's pale glow, a sleek spaceship named the Starseeker shimmers, poised for departure. On board, Captain Orion stands at the helm, eyes shining with anticipation, flanked by an expert crew ready for the greatest voyage of their lives.
Crew, begin launch sequence.
Zara, the ship's navigator, runs her fingers across a glowing star map, plotting their course. Kai, the engineer, checks the power cells, while Dr. Nova, the astrophysicist, monitors sensors, excitement written across her face. In the control sphere, a pulsing sapphire orb flickers to life. The cosmic AI, a mysterious digital mind with knowledge that stretches back to the beginning of time. Engines blazing, the Starseeker shoots into space. As Earth recedes, Captain Orion addresses the crew.
Destination, the solar system. Our mission, explore every planet, seek out new mysteries, and return home before the cosmic window closes.
Their first stop, the blazing world of Mercury, the smallest and closest planet to the Sun. As Starseeker enters Mercury's orbit, solar radiation flares across the hull.
Mercury's wild temperature swings make this a challenge.
Mercury spins slowly, so one side bakes in sunlight while the other freezes. Imagine standing on a world where the sun never sets and never rises.
The crew marvels at the silvery, cratered surface below before Zara guides them away, navigating by Mercury's shimmering horizon. Next, Venus, shrouded in thick, swirling clouds. The ship shakes as a solar flare bursts nearby, its energy rippling through space. Lights flicker, alarms blare. Kai leaps to action, stabilizing the systems. The crew peers through reinforced viewports at a world hidden beneath suffocating yellow clouds.
Venus is a furnace. Hotter than Mercury, its clouds made of sulfuric acid. Its surface could melt lead. No wonder they call it Earth's evil twin.
Captain Orion steadies their course.
Caution, solar activity increasing. Proceed with care.
With Zara's expert hand, the Starseeker escapes Venus's volatile grasp. Onward to the red planet, Mars, where copper dust paints the landscape in rusty hues. Sensors pick up odd readings, traces of frozen water beneath the surface. The team lands on the edge of an ancient canyon.
Mars was once home to rivers and lakes. If life existed outside Earth, Mars is our best bet for clues.
The crew deploys scanners and marvels at evidence of distant oceans. Zara logs the coordinates, her eyes searching for new routes through the asteroid belt ahead. Suddenly, alarms blare, an asteroid storm. Chunks of ancient rock hurtle at the ship.
Hold on.
Zara's hands fly over the controls, weaving between spinning meteors as Kai recalibrates shields. One asteroid grazes the hull, sparking a cascade of warnings.
Give me 60 seconds.
Kai plunges into the maintenance tunnel. Tools flash as he patches a breach. The Starseeker swoops through the turbulence, safe for now. Ahead towers Jupiter, a swirling giant with storms the size of Earth. The ship is tugged by the massive planet's gravity. A crimson vortex, the great red spot, spins furiously below. Lightning crackles in the atmosphere, buffeting the Starseeker.
This is toughest turbulence yet.
Jupiter's storms have raged for hundreds of years, and its moon, Europa, may hide oceans beneath icy crust, perhaps even alien life.
Maneuvering through the wild winds, Zara's charting skills and Kai's fast repairs get them through.
Pattern detected, energy surges, unknown origin.
A puzzle. The crew takes note and surges on. Saturn awaits, rings blazing like a cosmic crown. The ship glides past bands of ice and stone, each shard glinting in solar light.
Saturn's rings are spectacular.
As they drift closer to Titan, Saturn's largest moon, scanners detect something odd, a faint signal. The bridge falls silent.
Encrypted data, centuries old, buried beneath Titan's methane mists.
No time to lose.
The crew decodes fragments of the ancient transmission, a lost probe from a forgotten era, its final message calling out for discovery. With Kai's adjustments, the Starseeker collects the probe, bringing its secrets aboard, reminders of humanity's endless urge to explore. Uranus and Neptune, the cold gas giants on the edge of darkness, fill the viewport with ghostly blue light. The ship's systems shudder as magnetic fields swirl unpredictably.
Uranus tumbles on its side, and Neptune's winds are the fastest in the solar system.
Beyond Neptune, traces of a mysterious object. Calculating new course.
Following the AI, Starseeker journeys past Neptune's icy moons into the shadowy Kuiper Belt. There, the team finds a tiny, distant world, Pluto shimmering with frozen plains and ancient mystery.
Even the smallest worlds have big stories.
They gather samples and data, adding to the growing mystery files of the cosmic AI. Time's ticking. The cosmic window home begins to close. With one last burst of speed, the Starseeker makes for Earth, crossing the solar system under Saturn's rings, past Jupiter's storms, and over the redness of Mars. As the blue and green jewel of home rises in the viewport, every crew member sits in silent awe.
We face the heat of Mercury, the storms of Jupiter, and the mysteries of Titan. And we learned, together, that the solar system is full of adventure, danger, and infinite possibilities.
Final log. New mysteries await among the stars, and perhaps within ourselves.
The Starseeker lands. The mission is complete, or is it? As the crew celebrates, the cosmic AI displays a final cryptic symbol, a signal traced beyond the edge of the solar system, its meaning unknown. Space is full of adventure, mysteries, and incredible discoveries. If you loved the solar system, a journey through space, be sure to like and subscribe for more mind-blowing space explorations and thrilling cosmic adventures.